Hey everybody, it's Morgan Crane, and I wanted to show you today how to take your back office and export it into Excel. And I'm going to show you how to do it on a Mac computer because things are a tiny bit different. So I'm in my company page, and what I'm going to do is highlight. I'm not going to highlight everybody because it's really big, but highlight a bunch of people. And stop here. Make sure you've got all the way over to this lower right hand corner so you get all of the columns. And then you're going to just copy what you have. And then you need to go to a text editing program. I use Pages. I tried it in Word. They both worked. So it ends up looking like this. And like right now I have my name is tabbed over, so I just want to delete that so it lines up correctly. So once it's in the text editing program, you select all of it and copy this instead, and then go to your Excel spreadsheet. I tried using Numbers, which is the Mac version of Excel, but it doesn't work, so you need actual Excel. And then you paste into Excel, and it comes up looking like this. So it has all the names in this column, and then it has all the other information in the second column. And this next step is super important. So you want to select this whole column, and you go to Data, and then Text to Columns, and you want it delimited, and go to Next, and you want it by space. So you can uncheck tab, do it by space, and it will put it into its own columns for you. And then click Finish. And there it is. So at this point, you can add a row above to, you can add a row to do labels like name, PRS, company sales, and stuff like that. But this gets everything into its own column for you. And then if you wanted to sort the data, so say I wanted to see who has the top PRS for the month. So that's column C right here. So we do data, sort, wait, cancel. Okay, hold on. I want to select everything. Sort. I want to sort by column C, descending, and that's going to give me everybody in PRS order. Do you see how I did that? So that's the PRS column, and it's sorted by PRS. And if I wanted to go back to how it was, I just undo it, which was the undo command. So you can sort by whatever you want, and that's about as simple as I can share with you. The one thing I forgot to say about before you select everybody, when you're in your back office, make sure you turn off the pictures. There's a Show Pictures button right here. Turn it off before you copy the data. And hopefully that will help you, and good luck.